How to delete GoDaddy account step by step. If you want to delete your GoDaddy account in a step-by-step way, it's quite simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all open your browser and go to godaddy.com. Now before you delete your account, make sure you have deleted all the remaining products like your domain and everything that you have inside of it. Once you've decided that you want to delete your account, you can actually log into your account on their website and you'll find the contact us button from the bottom right. In the contact us button from the bottom right, in the message, just type in that you want to delete your account. Then this virtual assistant will actually connect you with one of the live representatives over there. So you simply want to wait until actually they get in touch with you. Just mention to them that you want to delete your account. They will ask you for some type of verification, and once done, your account will be successfully deleted. This way, your account. I hope that if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.